In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a 3D interactive scatter plot using Plotly. So we can start off here by importing plotly.express as px, and we can import seaborn as SNS. We can come down to the next line, and we're going to use sns.load_dataset, and we could do iris. And we're going to come down and define our 3D scatter plots. We're going to do px.scatter_3D. We can pass through iris, then we can pass through our x, y, and z. So we're going to do sepal length. Our y is going to be petal length. And our z is going to be sepal width. We could set our color equal to species. And our title to 3D scatter. We can run fig.show to see our plot. And now we can see we have an interactive scatter plot. We could hover over and interact with it as we please, and we can see everything's labeled as we'd like. Now we're going to come down and customize this a little bit. We can put a comma here and just shift down so we can see everything on one line. And now we're going to define our labels. And now we can run that. Now we can see each of these are labeled as we'd like. And when we hover into this, just a little bit easier to read, and we can see exactly what we're looking at. Now the last thing we'll change is the size of said scatter bubble. Come in and we can paste this code here to update anything we want sizing wise. After running that, you can see our bubbles got a little bit smaller, and it's just a little bit easier to see when you spin around. And that's how you can use Plotly to create a 3D interactive scatter plot within Python.